and I want. Go.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hello everyone, this is Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and we are going to make a protein low-carb lemon poppy. So what I have is a serving of the Baker's Basic Cake Mix. I stick it in here in the cereal bowl. Again, this Baker's Basic Cake Mix is 16 grams protein prepared, 148 calories, and 3 net carbs. That's it, and only 4 grams of fat, so it's low fat too. So what I'm going to do is add a quarter cup of egg whites, 2 tablespoons plain non-fat Greek yogurt, and if I make this right now, mix it and microwave it, I have a white cake. Okay? So the way you turn a white cake into a lemon poppy is you just use the essential oils. I'm going to put 3 drops of lemon into the cake, and a half a tablespoon of poppy seeds. And I'm going to mix this up, microwave it for 2 minutes, and while everybody else eats lemon poppy muffins and gains weight, we're going to eat a lemon poppy muffin and lose weight and get healthy. You just keep recording, don't
Well,
stop.
it's live, so
Oh crap! It's still live?
that's what we always do.
Oh no!
Well, the last one was fine.
I'm trying to make videos. Now I can't make a video.
Oh, well, you didn't tell me that.
Guys, I'm sorry. I'm planning on making videos today instead of going live because I have like 10 different recipes I want to make. So if you're watching this, we're gonna go off live and we're gonna go back to making videos, and then I'll upload the videos as I make them. They'll be uploaded in the next day or two. Okay? We love you guys. Thanks for watching.